Hey there, fact lovers. Welcome back to Discover 10 Facts, where we dive into the coolest facts about everything. If you're into health trends or just curious about different ways of eating, today's video is for you. We're diving into the carnivore diet, a way of eating that's all about meat and only meat. Number 1. It's older than you think. Alright, fact number 1. The carnivore diet isn't some new, trendy thing. It's actually been around for centuries. Yup, humans have been eating mostly animal products for thousands of years, especially in colder climates where plants just didn't grow well. In fact, some indigenous groups in places like Alaska and northern Canada have been living off a mainly carnivorous diet for generations. So, this is not a fad. It's a way of eating rooted in survival. Number 2, it's not just about steak. Number 2, it's not just about eating steak. While the carnivore diet does center around animal foods, it also includes a lot of other parts of the animal that people often overlook. We're talking about things like organ meats, bone marrow, and even animal fat. These parts are packed with nutrients that muscle meats just can't provide. So, you're not just getting protein, you're getting a rich variety of vitamins and minerals. Number 3, it's super low in carbs, but not zero fact. 3. Yes, it's low in carbs, but did you know it's not completely carb-free? Some carnivore dieters actually eat small amounts of dairy or even certain spices that contain trace carbs. It's a big difference from strict keto, where even a tiny amount of carbs can kick you out of ketosis. On the carnivore diet, you can still have a little wiggle room for things like butter or cheese. Number 4, it could help with autoimmune diseases. Number 4, this diet has been shown to help some people with autoimmune diseases. Sounds crazy, right? But research and personal stories suggest that by eliminating plant-based foods, which can sometimes trigger immune reactions, people with conditions like arthritis, Crohn's disease, or even eczema can find relief. It's not a guarantee, but there are definitely some success stories out there. Number 5. It's been known to improve mental clarity. Fact number 5. It might boost your mental clarity. Even though the diet is all about fat and protein, not carbs, some people report feeling more focused and mentally sharp after switching to a carnivore lifestyle. This could be because fats, particularly omega-3s from fish, are essential for brain health. The brain loves fat. Number 6. It's actually high in vitamin C. Here's a surprising one. Carnivores can actually get vitamin C. Yeah, you heard that right. While we normally think of vitamin C coming from fruits and veggies, organ meats, especially liver, are packed with this essential nutrient. So, if you're eating nose to tail and including organ meats in your diet, you're not at risk of scurvy like many people assume. Number 7. It can improve sleep. Number 7. The carnivore diet might improve your sleep. Some people on this diet have reported better sleep quality and more consistent rest. One theory is that the high levels of fat and protein help stabilize blood sugar, which could keep you from waking up in the middle of the night with cravings. It's like your body is on cruise control. Number 8. It's not always all meat for some people. Fact. Number 8. Some people on the carnivore diet aren't technically eating just meat. Wait, what? It's true. Some carnivore dieters actually allow for certain animal-based foods, like eggs, butter, and cheese. So while it's called the carnivore diet, it can be more flexible than you think, depending on who you ask. Number 9. It could actually help improve your skin. There are anecdotal reports from people who've noticed a reduction in acne and other skin conditions after switching to a carnivore diet. The theory is that cutting out inflammatory foods like sugar and processed carbs can help clear up your complexion. So, maybe less pizza, more beef? Number 10. It could be surprisingly sustainable. Now, before you roll your eyes, hear me out. The carnivore diet has the potential to be more eco-friendly than you might think. If you focus on sourcing your meat from local, sustainable farms and eat all parts of the animal, not just the prime cuts, you might be minimizing food waste and supporting ethical farming practices. Of course, this depends on how you approach it, but it's possible. There you have it. 10 facts about the carnivore diet. Did any of these surprise you? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing facts. See you next time on Discover 10 Facts.